Hello everybody, this is my first tutorial and I'm going to show you how to create some tech house hi-hats out of operator's white noise using Ableton 9 curves. For this one I already prepared a beat, sounds like this. Very basic, kick, clap and a bass. And I'm going to add on top of it some hi-hats. For this one we need an operator. Just drag it there. By default it sounds like this. I'm going to change this one here to white noise and use a high pass setting around 7. You can change it later. Sounds like this. Next I'm going to create a MIDI clip. Double click here. You can use any note. I'm going to use this one here. Okay, let's listen. Drag it down a little bit. Sounds like this. White noise. Okay. Now double click and go to envelopes, mixer, track volume, and take this one and drag it down the curve all the way down. And yeah, set the resolution to 116 and change the tool to pencil and start drawing hi-hats. If you click and hold Alt, you can change the shape of the curve. Alt and drag the curve. You can always add some more here and there. Just try out. And of course you can select and copy. Command C and Command D. And yeah, that's it. If you like my tutorial, please subscribe my channel and I will be post some more. Thank you.